Does it ever feel like the harder you try to make money online, the less money you actually make? Are you tired of wasting your time and money trying to find something that actually works and will keep making you money day after day? Wouldn't it be nice if there was a real 100% proven system for making money that you could just plug into and start getting results? Hi there, Aidan here. And I've been there. I know what it's like to waste time, waste money, and get really frustrated with this online marketing thing. When I started online, I had a full-time job as a teacher, and although I love certain things about my job, I wanted more money, more time, and the freedom to live life on my terms. I saw other people making big money online, traveling the world, and living the good life, so I decided to do the same. But in the beginning, I struggled a lot. After months of wasted time and thousands of dollars in wasted money on various courses and methods that didn't work for me, I decided to blaze my own trail and do things my way. And that's when things really took a turn. Instead of spending more money than I was making, I finally turned things around and started making some actual profits. Within a few months, I'd made so much money using my own methods that I was able to quit my job. I was beyond excited, but even though I was making great money online, I was still working a lot of hours every single day to do it. That's when it hit me that I needed to automate as much as possible in my online business if I ever wanted to live the laptop lifestyle everyone dreams of. I desperately wanted the time and freedom to travel and do what I wanted, when I wanted, so I put all of my focus on automation, on creating a passive income stream. Using messenger bots and a super powerful method for getting free buyer traffic, I was able to go from working 6 to 8 hours per day to just a few hours per week. And even though I was working a lot less, my income actually increased. Just look at the money I've been able to put into my bank account from my online business over the past few months. What's really cool is this is just one of my many streams of mostly passive online income. Being able to make this kind of money only working a few hours per week has given me the lifestyle I've always dreamed of. If you're tired of working hard and having little or nothing to show for it, and you like the idea of creating a mostly passive online business that's automated so you make money while you sleep, today you'll have the chance to plug into my complete online system so you can get results just like I'm getting for yourself. It's called the VIP Bot Affiliate Club, and inside you get everything you need to create an automated income without any technical skills or prior online experience needed. This is the exact system I'm personally using to make money day after day. And inside I'll show you everything and even do most of the work for you. When you join the VIP Bot Affiliate Club right now, you'll get access to my 6-figure success blueprint that will take you by the hand and show you exactly how to copy my results for yourself. You'll get my step-by-step video training that shows you my powerful free buyer traffic method and how to use that traffic with messenger bots to create an automated business that makes you money while you sleep. You'll also get access to my quick start cheat sheet and my entire money making toolbox. With everything I'm giving you, all you have to do is follow the simple steps in the training, use the tools I'm giving you access to in the toolbox, and start making money right away. But I'm not going to stop there. I know it can be hard to get started with something new, even if it's an easy method like mine. That's why I'm going to make all of this even easier by giving you access to a completely done-for-you sales funnel that's already battle tested and proven to make money. The done-for-you funnel includes the bots you need to grow your list full of buyers and make money on autopilot. All of the funnel pages are hosted on my servers, so you don't have to worry about any of the technical stuff. You'll get access to use all of my videos and emails as your own, so you don't have to worry about creating any content. And the funnel comes loaded up with a top quality proven to convert affiliate product that will pay you 100% commissions on the front end and make you easy money while you sleep. and every single month I'll send you a brand new funnel with another proven to make money product ready to go so you can continue to scale up your income each month. And the best part about all of this is the low pricing you'll lock in when you get this now. I'm tired of seeing people struggle to make money online. I'm tired of all the empty promises. And I want to help you stop bleeding, stop wasting time and money, and plug into something that works. The VIP Bot Affiliate Club is different than everything else you've ever seen because it actually works. Everything inside is proven and tested. I practice what I preach and I actually use the methods inside. There is no risk of saturation of any kind. And because I want this to be affordable for anyone, when you click the button below now, you'll get in for just $3. Yep, that's right, that's not a misprint. It's just $3 for access to the VIP Bot Affiliate Club today. And because I stand behind this 100%, I'm going to let you test drive the VIP Bot Affiliate Club on my dime for a full 30 days. That means if you change your mind for any reason, all you have to do is let me know and I'll get you a refund. With a guarantee like this, the only way you can lose is if you don't get this now. And seriously, don't wait around and try to come back and get this later. The price is definitely going up. You're getting well over $1,995 in real world value for just $3. If you're looking for something that's proven, something that will actually make you money, and something that's fun, not time consuming, automated and scalable, then you need to join the VIP Bot Affiliate Club right now. Click the button below to lock in your discount and get started now for just $3.